Maybe it isn't the printer that's sloppy. That's your signature, right?
You know, we could sit here with one fingers all day.
I've got news for you. Even if those 2 pages were in there, the book still would have sucked. You seen the numbers for this quarter?
What are you doing?
Yeah, man.
What are you
That
doing?
friggin' puppy and pigeon are tanking hard hops. My people estimate we're going to post a -8 for this quarter.
Harley. Harley, get the guinea pig.
You know, we'll bounce back.
No. We're going to ship a new book first quarter.
First quarter?
We'll be back in town on the 24th. At that time, I would love to hear in exact detail what your plans are for this new book.
Wait a minute. The 24th, that's Christmas Eve. And?
Harley.
No problem. Great having you.
KCP Cash is on the spot sale.